New satellite observations released by European, American and Indian meteorological agencies highlighted a worrying trend in India's southwest monsoon, with significantly reduced cloud cover visible over large regions across the country during a crucial phase of the rainy season. Images captured on Tuesday by EUMETSAT's Meteosat Indian Ocean Data Coverage or IODC, NOAA weather satellites and ISRO's INSAT 3DS indicate that extensive areas of central, western and peninsular India remain largely free of the dense cloud bands generally associated with an active monsoon season. Weak monsoon circulation evident. The latest satellite observations stand in sharp contrast to normal expectations nearly 2 weeks after the monsoon's onset over Kerala. Instead of moisture-laden cloud systems advancing across the subcontinent, only scattered convective activity is visible over parts of the Bay of Bengal and eastern India, while much of the country appears comparatively dry. According to weather experts, the imagery reflects a notable weakening of the monsoon circulation. Large parts of India continue to experience heat-dominated conditions, while key atmospheric mechanisms that drive the monsoon remained weaker than usual. A major concern is the lack of a strong Somali jet, a low-level wind current responsible for transporting vast amounts of moisture from the equatorial Indian Ocean toward India. The associated cross-equatorial flow, another critical component of the monsoon system, has also remained subdued. Arabian Sea branch remains weak. Dry air over the western Indian Ocean has weakened moisture transport into the Arabian Sea, limiting cloud formation and affecting monsoon activity. As a result, rainfall has remained patchy and below normal across parts of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. The IMD has warned of prolonged below normal rainfall over the monsoon core zone, covering central, western and peninsular India. However, forecasts suggest conditions may improve, with stronger cross-equatorial winds and an intensifying Somali jet expected to boost moisture inflow. A broader revival of monsoon activity is possible toward the end of June.